Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Airtel SIM has mobile data and 4G coverage. That's critical. Next, enable mobile data in settings and choose LTE/4G as the preferred network so data can stay active. Then turn on VoLTE LTE or enhanced 4G calling. This lets voice and data run together. Once done, make sure your signal shows LTE and VoLTE LTE indicators. If not, switch airplane mode on and off quickly to re-register to the network. Now you adjust device-specific settings so data stays live during calls. On Android, go to Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then enable Enhanced 4G LTE mode. On iPhone, open Cellular, Voice and Data, and pick LTE. If you use two SIMs, select Airtel as the mobile data SIM and confirm it's allowed for voice or data during calls. Once configured, place a call and check that the data icon remains visible. This shows you're successfully using data while on the call. Finish by making a real test call and opening a lightweight web page or app to confirm data works during the call. If data drops when you call, toggle VoLTE LTE off and on, reboot the phone, and install any pending carrier updates. Those steps often restore simultaneous voice and data. If you still can't use data while calling, contact Airtel support to ensure VoLTE LTE is provisioned on your account. Sometimes the carrier must activate the service from their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.